Another beautiful sunrise in Quartzsite, Arizona. We're all parked right here. Got friends coming in to stay. Perfect day. And this is the sunset that Ninette took a picture of last night. Really beautiful here. Having a good time. We are going to head over to the tent to start getting it set up for the big show. Hey everybody, welcome to Tigner Adventures. We are in Quartzsite, Arizona, and Ninette is cold. Actually, it's kind of cold in the mornings. It's usually in the lower 30s, but in the afternoon it gets warmer, but I'm sure it's going to be cold in the tent. But we are here at the tent for RV Life. The big white tent. We are representing RV Life. The Trip Wizard software. We're going to be doing some seminars. We're in booth 319, and so we are here to kind of showcase that a little bit and show you what's going on. Lots of traffic. Everyone's trying to get all set up. We've got to go check in first. We didn't get our VIP pass for some reason. I don't know there was a communication issue there, but anyway, we're going to go check in and get our stuff ready. We're in booth 319, so then we have to haul everything into that booth. Now, I'm going to put up here on the screen the other place that RV Life is at right now is at the Tampa Super RV Show in Tampa, Florida. And their booth number is right here. They are there representing RV Life too. So if you are on the East Coast area around in Florida there, then you might want to check them out there. Otherwise, if you are out here in Arizona, come by and see us at booth 319. So let's get started on our exciting week. We will be here all week, actually until the next Sunday from now. All right, we got our passes. We're all set. Now we just have to go to our vehicle and carry everything in and start setting up our booth. Well, we have the booth all set up and we are ready for opening day, which is tomorrow. So, and remember, RV Life is also at the Tampa Super Show. They're at B231. So we're just throwing that out there. 231 and 232. They've got double the size booths. But the show there costs $15 to get in. It's $10 parking. Oh, that's a 2-day pass. And it's $10 for parking. We're here at Quartzsite. Man, it is free, free, free. So make sure you come down and see us. We're at booth 319. And we are ready for people to come by. So make sure that you come and see us.
We've got lots of stickers, and we've got duckies too.
Stickers and ducks. And plus we're here to help out people, answer any questions that you may have. Again, we will be doing 2 presentations, one on Sunday and one on Wednesday at 2 p.m. each day for 1 hour or 45 minutes, something like that. So come take what?
Your nap with us.
Your nap with us. So anyway, yeah, come take your nap with us. But hey, you can pick up some stuff, you can meet us, and we'd love to meet you guys and answer any questions that you got. Remember, here at the booth though, we are doing a hands-on type thing. I've got my laptop right here and the TV behind me, and we can show you different things, we can answer questions, we can try to figure out different issues. But in the long run, if you got something major, we are going to send you to support@rvlife.com because they are the best. Yes, they do a great job. And so we want to include them because I think what makes a company is how they support their product after the sale. So again, you can save 25% with this QR code. So make sure that you, if you don't have it yet, you can watch some of our videos on our playlist here. But if you want to get it, make sure you save the 25% because that's the only way to go. That's on your very first year. After that, it is $65 a year. So the first year's a discounted price. So anyway, thanks for coming along with us today as we get the booth all set up and we are ready for the big tent. So we will see you there. Thanks.